Hello everyone. Just wanted to share this small video with you guys as how to select a stock for trading in 5 easy steps. There are a lot of people who do trading regularly and they select their stocks themselves. However, there is a big percentage of people who find it very difficult when it comes to selecting a right stock for them. I'm sharing a very small and simple video with you guys. Um, I myself use these parameters to select stocks for trading. So let's go ahead. So the point number one is you should limit your stock selection to 10 or 15. The main reason for this is very simple. When you have limited stocks to trade with, your focus is not divided, and with time you can actually become master of these stocks when you're trading day in day out with these stocks, and the success probability actually increases many folds. So the point number two is you should always pick a stock which has high liquidity. High liquidity stocks are basically where good number of people who are trading in these stocks day in day out. If you don't trade in high liquidity stocks, there can be one major problem. You will not be able to exit from that trade if you have entered. So always try to avoid such stocks for selection. So how to select a stock with high liquidity? Just follow the simple process. Go to NSE India website, and in NSE India website there is a section called Live Market. Click on Live Market. The second line which says equity stocks, click on equity stocks. So there are different indices which you will see now. The first one is Nifty 50. The second one is Nifty Next 50, and then mid cap 50 and mid cap 100. So these four segments are good enough to pick a stock for your trading. So there is one more parameter which comes into consideration when we are selecting a stock. When you select a stock which has monopoly in the market, always give edge to your trading. And when you think from customer's perspective, end user perspective, such stocks are always in demand. If you take an example of few stocks like Indian Railway, any major energy sector stock, Nestle, Coal India, these stocks will never fade out because they are always in high demand. There are many factors, and one being they don't have many competitors and they are the only service provider from their segment. So this is also one of the main factors you should look into when you selecting a stock. So there is another factor which we have to consider. It's a very simple point. However, a lot of people tend to forget it while doing trading. It says that Nifty has a close relationship like mother and child with stocks. Wherever Nifty will go, the stocks will follow. I have taken example of two stocks here. Look at the Nifty 50 30th April chart, the downtrend it has taken, and when you see Tata Motors on the same day, it has followed the same downtrend. And there is another example, 31st May for Nifty 50. Look at the uptrend it has taken, and NTPC on the same day has taken the same process. What do I mean by this? That whenever the Nifty is going down, don't try to buy a stock, and whenever it is going up, don't try to short the stock. So it will help you in trading also. So the last point which we have to consider while selecting a stock is your stock should be trading above previous day high. I have taken example of Jindal Steel for 11th of June. When you see a stock, it clearly says that the stock has opened above previous day high. So selecting such stocks will always give you edge while doing trading. I hope you have liked this video and it will help you in selecting right kind of stocks for you. I have given my WhatsApp number. If you have any query, you can write it to me or just type in your questions in comment box.